Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Anywhere where you dey inside Obodo, Nigeria, you're going to watch the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show as it is hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11, don't on Christmas, sake of say, all the action story where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We'll carry them, drop them down, talk them the way anything be. Can't give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them the way anything be you for body. So that those who the leaders go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabuel as they concern the politics matter as it is hot.
Yes, a beautiful Thursday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Don't carry us to the hot, come again. That's a program where they do it. With the information now, different political activities. And we go enter into an important matter where we say, yes, more like I will call it a breaking news, and such way we say, you go sit at Belle more. But then we need to go further to ensure, say, at least the rest of the people who they involved for this particular matter, we do it in. We find out whether they bring them back to their parents. And we'll talk about the Chibok girl we do it in, where they found recently. And we'll open our phone line so that at least that we contribute for the matter, so that at least collectively, as the only they talk here, we will now take it in, move our country forward. My name never change. My name is Unkubi, and this now as it is hot.
Yesterday, news break for different media platforms. Say one of the Chibok girls, when we say, for over 2 years now, they don't carry them from their family people. We can't find them based on, say, people they talk, say, that they inside Sambisa forest, say they see one of them. And the first controversy come whether now rescue, our soldier people rescue her, or whether now find, now in the civilian JTF people, now in they find the girl. But we go beyond rescue and find. Can't look this particular issue, say the developments when it happened since when Boko Haram Jagula people release video, when they report say they shoot for around December, and when they talk say these girls then they say for, say if they want me to rescue them, they give them $15 million US. We'll go check so many other important issues, can't see how we go forward for this particular issue. Like Unkubi don't talk, we'll go try our phone lines open, make yourself call to contribute for this matter. Based on the question, say the Chibok girl we don't find now, any hope day for the girls them, based on say we go see them and whether the matter truly it don't go, I be the matter still there. Now what we they discuss on top of us it hot.
Well, Chukode, sincerely, this one don't give us more like a sense of hope, sense of this in faith. Say yes, at least the Chibok girls still day where they, and at least in our own interest and for the interest of the parents of these girls, at least we will also need to urge our soldier people. Maybe say they don't carry out better work, maybe they do it, make them at least further upgrade on the work they do, so that at least these girls anywhere they sit and they, and since they are going by what the girl talk, see that Sambisa. The same Sambisa forest what they talk about, they do it in where they she come out from. And at least with that, we could see the kind of move where they will fit take, so that at least the rest of the girls go do it and go, they will fit bring them back home. But even at that, the same girl where the same Amina girl come and talk say, look, people say somehow, some of the girls, like one or two, a few of the girls don't do it and don't buy. But then we go need to also at least know how far, if the military don't carry out, if they don't carry out their own, at least their own rescue mission, make we know how far. At least the major thing is say, bringing back these girls to their parents. Now, be the major thing who they at least who they pray for, who they at least seek for. So make we just see as the matter they go.
I have never, for once, doubted the Nigerian military. Aside from the fact that I get military background, say all these kind of things. Unkubi, if I begin to use military language here now, you'll be lost.
As yesterday, you were a comrade.
Exactly.
So how come you?
No. What you?
No. As yesterday, you were a comrade.
To be comrade, na English word.
So you want to say that they related?
No, now what are we saying?
No, stick to one.
If just be like say you talk say, see, as at yesterday you were a brother.
For me, I have never for once.
A comrade is a title. A comrade is somebody in the struggle.
Never for once doubt the ability of our military.
But from your statements, they show say somehow. Because they don't say they need to upgrade.
Now bad thing to talk say they want upgrade.
You don't get military background, so you cannot understand.
Not the same Sambisa forest, so they
you
talk about.
You don't get military background, so you cannot understand.
Sincerely, make we look at this way. If we get special intelligence, okay, we'll get special intelligence for our country, Nigeria, and we know our roots. At least we get people who say we understand this country, not everywhere for this country.
Which everywhere? What are you?
Hold on now.
You are speaking like a Boy Scout. We are telling you of military intelligence, intel for short.
Fine, military intelligence. Okay.
How person want to know the route? Sambisa forest.
The same forest. Don't be the same forest where we don't enter.
Let me tell you, Unkubi.
I know how huge Sambisa forest.
You don't understand military intelligence. Sambisa forest. If you check if you check the land mass, you understand what I'm land mass. Thank you very much. You don't use your mouth talk and say it's very, very huge. Why you want to say if we get intelligent, people know Sabisa is in your backyard. We are telling you of a forest that covers a large expanse of land. See, Ukubi, you see, I go advocate say from primary school now, make them begin to teach MI. MI is military intelligence or military intel for short. Because you just show here now say man o war, you know do, Boy Scout, you know do, even choir practice, you know join. How will you understand what we are talking about?
You don't do you.
No, but it's the truth.
No, you don't do you.
Allow me to break this down so that you can understand.
You don't do you. Just break it down.
Okay, let me break it down. Now, like I said earlier, I go speak English because PG no go do it for this one. I have never, for once, doubted the ability, the capability.
Me self, I know for once, I no doubt the ability and capability and strength and at least the strength of our military people.
How many times you go talk strength, ability?
I don't mind. I need to at least strength raise power 2. Make I put her like that. Put 2 on top.
You don't have military background. You can't understand where I'm coming from.
Where are you coming from?
Thank you for this question.
No. Because in the end, see, you know, go still display that military background where they talk about.
You know, you get people what they call political hallelujah boys.
People like you now.
No, I'm a military person.
No. People like you.
No. I can't be a political hallelujah boy. People when already go begin they sing, say, hey, we do this. See, let me tell you, Boko Haram Jaguda people too. Then they hear news.
No, we need to. Of course, I dispute that. How they get access to CNN? They carry the other girls where they send videos to. Not be CNN. They set
all the small military lessons when they drop here. You don't learn small. I never expected that answer from you.
No.
I never expected it.
Okay, what is the military lesson we just dropped that?
Thank you very much.
No. The one you said don't learn. Which one?
I said the ones we don't learn since. Because as I talk, say Boko Haram Jaguda people, they listen to news. You just come back with. So it shows say all these things when I don't talk here, you learn.
No, I think me said no. They follow news. I don't know what they happen for our country.
Allow me to break it down.
No, don't break it down.
Allow me to
you cannot break it down because right now, myself, I want at least make you break it down by entry market before you go break anything down. You can't break anything down now.
Which market you want to go now? You need the water because you are under pressure.
You need that.
Welcome back to As It Is Hot on top of the senior brother of all the television stations winning inside the world, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Ezugu Chukudi and Nkubide inside studio, and we discuss the case of Amina Ali Dasha Nkeki. When we say civilian JTF for inside Borno State, they find on the fringes of the Sambisa forest. Based on developments when happen for that particular issue, she don't meet with Kasim Shettima, the governor of Borno State, and today she and her small pikin go meet with Oga Presido. This one raise the hopes of Nigerians. Say the issue about the Chibok girls when we say for over 2 years now they don't they lost. Say very soon they think now they get conclusion. Other people they talk say make we tread with caution because it be like say the way when we say we they politicize issues for this particular issue. It go fit confuse more people.
Yes, and Chukudi, the point, and that way we say we they disturbing in this case that the fact that at least I mean now they talk about carry pikin for hand, which means if we also look at which means at this stage in her life they don't probably I don't go to say they don't stop her future plans, but at least they don't intercept her small because if na person we say she get dreams in the past, at least somehow with this picking way she don't get now, and because they hear another rumor say she even carry belle, we don't know how true. So we can't which kind of condition the rest of the girls can't dey. You understand? Because if one out of maybe 218 girls we they missing, we will never see now. They don't they carry pikin for hand, still get somehow get belly on top. The rest of the girls, which condition they go dey. But then the good thing, the major thing is just as we talk, the rescue of the girls 9 day primary, the girls 9 day primary. Once we don't rescue these girls, at least everything will feel play out on how to ensure say at least they find themselves for the society, doing what they sabi do.
Very true. And according to the information when we say the Amina girl drop, she talks say out of the 219 girls when we say still they miss. say 6 of them wey she dey very very sure of say they don kpai over the past 2 years. E go dey very very important make we dey move forward for this particular issue rather than dey dwell on say okay this thing don happen. Wetin be the things wey we say government don put in place? Wetin be the things wey we say promotional interest groups wey we say their own tool na to ensure say we get society wey dey very very strong don put in place to use ensure say these particular girls like Nkubi don talk when they don intercept, if you check say progress for their life, somehow the thing don see small drawback. Say if we rescue these girls eventually, or starting from this one we don rescue, or other girls wey we say they abduct when they don rescue, wetin they don do for them as government? People their homes don destroy, social amenities no dey. Wetin government don put in place no be about to carry this girl go meet the governor, snap picture, fly her for plane go meet oga presido, come dey discuss. We go talk about education. We know say for Nigeria women, or when we talk about say the female folk, then I go speak English, then they susceptible to say violence for society. That is to say if violence or gbege breaker for society, now then the thing they affect pass. They come say maybe their power no dey to defend themselves, or they no get strong leg well to run for a very very long time. So it go dey very very important we go put things in place for our society when we ensure say women they protected for our society, not just women when we say don't grow up to take care of themselves, especially the girl child. And one important issue when people go to discuss here, make we go beyond say some people they talk say the thing na scam, it no happen, na arrangement. Make we begin to look forward, because forward thinking society na go guarantee say people they move forward for this their particular society. Exactly. We need to learn a lot of things about the military. See the way when I break this particular issue down. If no be say you dey here, say you just come sit down for here, we suppose just end this show now. Make we dey go. MI, military intelligence. You see, say I dey keep the information. I don't want to drop everything, because like I talk, Boko Haram Jagoda people they watch news. The way when people just carry this particular important information, spread everywhere, they talk about that. The thing go even give them maybe idea. If these girls they want particular place now, don't you think they will move them? They will move them. Political hallelujah.
And that is why special intelligence also need to come inside this matter. So at least not be every informate or every information where you get where you probably get from a particular source, you go need to at least give the
you public. Are learning. You are learning.
I'm not learning from you. Who are you? These are my own personal information. Personal things we me know about.
Personal information as waiting as Boy Scouts. Do you have military background?
I know. I know what.
Do you have military background?
Share your.
Even NYSC that thing when they do for under, you no follow do one.
Who me?
You climb rope.
Me.
You climb rope.
Me.
You go inside tire.
Not you, I not do.
What do you do?
As long for that NYSC camp, that military training they give us. I passed, even I climbed rope, reach the end of the other side. I climbed this other rope. Not which
you climb. What do you climb? In fact,
every military.
You even do before NYSC. No be you. Which time they even start NYSC? You will be independence. All they talk say this thing. Now they execute them. You talk say this thing. Somebody they give you military intelligence.
Thank you very much. Hold on to your military intelligence. I beg. Just put that for your pocket. See, your military intelligence. Carry and put for your pocket. I don't want. I have my own journalism experience, journalism intelligence. Make I use that they gather my own information. They take at least inform our viewers. Not because they take military. Don't be waiting our viewers on here. Make they hear the information we get about them. No, because they take military. Who they share military background? If I'm hungry to join, why not join army? Why can't they call?
Don't be everybody. Don't be everybody.
In front of gate of army where they pass everything. Now they take.
Now everybody go do police.
Chukudi.
Now everybody go do pastor.
Now in front of army gate where they pass, they go school. Where I don't know where they go school. Where they pass everything. Now
that's a fallacious statement.
That is what it is.
You are attacking my personality.
No, you started the attack.
I have military background.
You started the attack.
No, I didn't attack you.
No, you started the attack.
I thought say you they learn. You know they learn.
You be my teacher.
You know they learn.
Okay.
You can't force it. MI, military intelligence, military intel for short.
Better person, we don't hear you. Thank you.
See what you see the way when they break this issue down.
We don't do you now.
This important issue.
Enough of that.
Why are you fighting the issue?
I'm not fighting any issue.
You are escaping from the issue.
We are rather addressing the issue.
You are not addressing. You are running away
from any issue.
You are running away. Your plan is to come here, come begin to sing. Say, hey, we don't see one of the Chibok
our military guys do the work, and they don't the work right.
Those of us when they the background, when they do the thing, we not even they take all the glory.
Enough. Respect yourself. Let me respect myself. We are men here. We know be small people who go fight over what.
I'm a young man. Don't say we are men.
I'm also a young man.
No, talk your own. Don't join two of us.
No, we are men.
I'm a young man.
You are a man. I'm a man.
Your will is your will. My own is my own.
We are men.
I am a man.
We are men. If now what you want here, we are men. So that is just it. So, but you could make we go further. Apart from waiting, we also hear say we get one man will be Mohammed. I had to wait follow this guy join body. According to the report over here, Mohammed they had to now they still the husband somehow saw the husband of Amina. But the question we call to ask here we say how it take play out. They go also need to carry out investigate to know who this Mohammed be. Make no be say somehow now one of them. Because if for you to say you be husband of somebody, with somehow you go also be related or affiliated to the same sect they talk about. So make they also investigate this Mohammed, make they know what he be in your own background, waiting be relationship with Boko Haram, and waiting they don't conduct carry out over time. And apart from that, Mohammed just as he also claim say they also kidnap him. But then we not also fit at least say anybody could be kidnapped. If you be say they also kidnap him, but then this is why we also need to get better information about who this Mohammed be. From there, we will know what would they push.
This is where military intelligence come in. MI, military intel for short. See, all this we go feel.
It sets my hand there.
Unkubi, what is going on?
You know, let me finish this talk. You just make my hand.
Because you don't. You see, Unkubi, I understand where they come from.
Why?
At the time you say everything. See, I have never, for once, doubted the ability and the capability of the Nigerian military.
More like the fourth time you'll be saying this. Me self.
Because you like say you know the year word. You know the year word where. You know the year word where. You know the year word where.
You still get delivered.
And they talk go this side. You can carry. I tell you say the military is on top of this situation. The things when they need to put out in the public, now they don't put. All this, I tell you say we what we did the background. When we they do all these things. When we know all this information, we know as the thing they go.
Okay.
Now.
Okay, let me ask you this question. Since you know all the background, all the intelligence, okay, what will be the steps that they will need to take to investigate this Mohammed?
Thank you very much.
Just break it down based on the military terms, oh.
Thank you very
military
much.
Terms, oh.
Thank you very much.
Don't they bring English or pidgin.
Thank you
military terms, now on here.
Thank you very much.
If you not give them those military terms, then maybe you go get problem.
Thank you very much. There's what we call the Scotch Earth method. You know you are confused already now. Now you tell me guys use military term. No. Okay. No, there's also what we call you go green Scotch Earth. You go green Scotch Earth. Now you don't.
There's also what is called what?
You hear Scotch Earth method.
Scotch egg.
Scotch Earth method.
At the end you call.
You're hungry now. Everybody know because of the way when the country don't now. No, it's allowed. No, you don't have military. For who? You don't have military background.
It's allowed for who?
We will be
military. Next time I hear.
Thank you very much. Now there's what we call, like I talk, that Scotch Earth method. Now the one when we say, if you take for example now, because of say you dey retreat, you go try destroy the things wey fit be of use to the person when they advance. You know what it is to retreat. You know what it is to advance. Thank you very much. Now, as they talk all these things, say Nigeria, hey, the girl wey wan fly and go Abuja, he don't meet governor, then they snap a picture. This guy should even be protected from the public. They don't spread it. They don't put this guy picture everywhere.
That one, what we know.
This guy, all the information when we say the guy don't share. 6 of 290. They don't put them outside.
The same way they bring out pictures of those first set of guys where escape that time. So go ahead.
How many of those pictures they bring out?
Continue with your Scotch.
Thank you. There's also what we call esprit de corps. Esprit de corps. Esprit de corps. Esprit de corps is Latin for waiting for when you talk about say people now comrade. Solidarity. Now, as Nigerians, what we need to do is rally behind the government and our troops to use it. People don't already come out and say, hey, this is what they get up. Oh yeah, make our military go. It's never done like that. MI, military intelligence, military intel for sure. No, let me lecture you.
No. You're not lecturing me.
I'm lecturing you.
Come on, God say these are backgrounds. People like me also understand.
Bad guys.
Background, don't say bad guys. I say these are backgrounds. All this is at least when myself know about. When myself they're well informed about. So please, I just wanted to be convinced. I wanted to be convinced that you know some of these things.
Convinced
and
what?
You have proven to me that said somehow you get oil for head. So some of these things.
You don't know past 10.
Tenta is meant for ladies. Meant for women.
Have you ever?
I know they for that category.
Look in the mirror.
I'm not in that category.
Unkubi. We are telling you people that
I'm not in that category.
You see, let me tell you.
Chukudi, forget say I no pass through military gate. Where you pass through, where they claim CDC. Me self, I am a man of that. A man of the well-defined person. Say when it comes to intelligence,
you can't even define yourself.
What do you mean?
A man of. Where are you a DJ? Why are you scratching? A man of well. then it means you don't know who you are. Who do the people say you are? That's what we should ask. Who do the people say you are? You are a man of, you are a man of.
Chukudi,
a man of what?
It is my job and my responsibility to define myself.
Then define. Don't tell us a man of.
See, I was. And they talk. You know, they talk where you collect.
You don't know yourself.
I don't know myself. You know yourself. I don't know yourself.
Thank you very much.
The same way you know yourself, I know myself.
Thank you for asking that
question. Try to explain to the people who are be.
Address this particular issue. Stop running away from it.
I'm not running away from it.
We have rescued Amina.
Yes.
Where do we go from here?
Where do we go from here? Just as we talk,
You talk your own. No.
No, we are talking it. We are sharing the ideas.
Talk your own.
We are sharing the ideas.
No, talk your own. As somebody that has Boy Scout and Man-O-War background. If I could be, you don't even get Boy Scout background.
You don't do enough. Let me talk. Maybe
in a church wording background you get.
You don't do now. Enough, please. Please. Can I talk now? Can I talk? You just make noise there, just make noise. What's the meaning of all this? Chukudi, we don't talk all these things. The man will say yes. The good thing is say Amina has been rescued. Or probably either rescued or fined. Just as some people claim say they are rescued, some people claim say they're young. But from the details where we see, Amina and her husband somehow waka for the inside Sambisa, then see them. Maybe if na waka say they come out from the camp, I don't know, but they see them. But then the major thing is saying, okay, they don't find them. Just as we talked before. Now to do it and carry out the next step to do it to at least check out Amina, make sure say she dey in the right state of at least in the right state of make she dey in the right state. Maybe waiting she don't go to no be such maybe say we go dey hunt am in the long run. At least that is one. Then next we'll go also then do to address them say how then do we move on from here? The rest of the girls, what are the next set of plans we don't outline to say, okay, we go also need to at least rescue these girls. Okay, if we say Sambisa, they're too huge, or the land map of this thing, they're very big. What are those other strategies we don't bring into a shot? Say, at least we'll cover up this the Sambisa grant to ensure that at least the rest of the girls also come back home to their parents. These are the things we should be addressing. And I believe the military, of course, obviously know what they are doing. And this matter will be addressed in the way at least we go sweet Nigerians eventually. So what else do you want me to?
I like the way you take carry this talk come. And it shows say military intelligence, the thing on the work for you. Quick one, we go rush, enter inside this small market. And we go take small water break based on say
now you need that.
Now you need that. Now you need that.
Now don't sip from
now you need that. Now you don't sip, you gulp. You don't sip. You know they sip.
You know what gulp?
This is how to sip.
Gulp means to swallow the entire thing.
This is how
but
to
see,
sip.
This is sip. I know what sip means.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.